Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your health needs with Blue Cross Blue Shield. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Locate the Member Services section on the homepage. Click on Login to access your account. Enter your username and password to sign in. If you're a new user, select Register to create an account. Fill in your personal information as requested to complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Health Benefits tab. Review your health plan details to understand your coverage. To find a healthcare provider, go to the Find a Doctor tool. Input your location and preferred specialty to get a list of available doctors. If you need referrals, check the referral requirements for your specific plan. To manage your prescriptions, click on the Pharmacy section. Search for your medications to view coverage options and costs. For scheduling appointments, contact your chosen provider directly. Keep track of your health records by using the Health Resources feature. Check for wellness programs and preventive care offerings available to you. Utilize the customer support chat for immediate assistance if needed. Download the Blue Cross Blue Shield mobile app for on-the-go access. Stay informed about claims and payments under the Claims section. Update your personal information regularly to ensure accurate records. Review your health needs periodically and adjust your plan as necessary. Explore additional resources on the website to enhance your health management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.